Okay, another quick little project that we're doing at the same time as the rabbit thing for the animal village. We've got bees right behind me in our little top bar, and if you can see the grass underneath there, it's not easy to mow and weed eat around that and under it without disturbing them. So we're going to have a little bit extra cement in what we, or concrete, in what we ordered. So I put together a quick little frame for just a small little pad to sit on top of the ground for the nook to sit up on. So we're just going to put that together real fast, stake it in place, and when the concrete truck comes, as soon as he's finished pouring that, we'll have him put the excess right here. Okay, this morning we had our concrete poured for the foundation of where the rabbits are going to be for our little animal village. We're burning up hot. Chris is over there finishing off the last little details on the edges of the concrete while it's trying to set up. And we decided that the boys and us were all going to put our handprints right in here so that, you know, we can have that memory for later on down the road. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step on everything that we did to get us to this point, and then I'm also going to catch up to speed on what the process is of the plan from here out. Okay. Okay, there's Dad's. Okay, Dad, you hold this.
Logan, you're going to have to do your left hand, I guess, or are y'all doing right hands?
I'm doing my left hand, it's my dominant hand. Gonna be the odd man out.
Okay. Logan, you're next. Press it. There you go. Mason, you're up. Gonna press it in. Press each of your fingers there. Okay. There you go.
All right. Somewhere for the rabbit poop to go.
Yeah.